lot.
I hope you all love this song.
Hi, Mom! Yo, help! Hold on, please!
Hey, shut the fuck up! You're being filmed. How's it going?
What up? Ow! Where y'all at? Damn!
Hi, Josh!
You know, if we just stay down long enough, they can't get to us. That's what is the cap.
I like mid caps.
They're nice, but then they yeah!
Go! Because I can.
I really want that. Hey, 3 guys over here. Hey, come out, come out. Hit them with your camera.
I don't want to.
Hey, call your hands, kid. I want to hit you in the face. Hey, we got one on the left.
Hi guys, I'm just
Oh God! Dude, I thought that was a laser sight. Is that here?
I'm filming.
Go, 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 go.
Hey!
You already out there?
So far.
Good job.
I'm gonna text while we're all shooting each other.
I'm hiding underneath. Calm down. Some people want that way. How about someone get on top of the roof? Hey, someone get the medic. Talk away. Are they over there? Come on, man. Yeah, sorry. It's okay. It's his fault. He told me to shoot. What? Yeah, you're not out. You're not out. Hey, you're okay. We didn't know. You're not out.
You're back in. You got 5 seconds to run.
5 seconds to run. Hey, we got one by. Jay Bunkers! Safety, safety.
Whoa, I'm
Safety.
filming. I got those safety kills. That was just funny.
Get him.